Serene Highlands Pool Home, surrounded by trees full of kumquats, this 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, pool home has a lot more to offer. The inviting open floor plan ensures a roomy yet cozy feel, larger bedrooms and a kitchen with plenty of storage. Home features an enclosed Florida room with AC, an additional screened-in porch, as well as caged screened pool. Utilize this oversized lot featuring a fenced backyard and shed. View the home today in this quiet neighborhood, fall in love, and allow our team to serve your dream.